How to convert a Google Docs document into a PDF file on your PC or laptop. It's a quick and easy process, and you don't need any third-party software. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and go to docs.google.com. If you haven't signed in yet, log in with your Google account. Now, open the Google Docs document that you want to convert into a PDF. Once the document is open, click File in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, hover over Download. Then click PDF Document, PDF. Google Docs will automatically convert your document into a PDF file, and the download will begin immediately. Once the download is complete, open your browser's Downloads folder, or press Ctrl+J in most browsers to view your recent downloads. Now, simply double-click the downloaded PDF file to open it. And that's it. That's how you can quickly convert Google Docs to a PDF file on your Windows PC or laptop without using any additional software. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tutorials, PDF tips, Windows guides, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching.